Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a very special video to share with you. My friend Shannon from Shannon Style, who is also my Stitch Fix stylist, did such a sweet thing. Shannon is a very big time thrifter and she loves trying to find a bargain, and she has some great thrift stores out by her. By me, I don't see anything like that. As many of you know, I will shop at Poshmark and I have done in the past ThredUp. But I don't do thrifting because there's just nothing in my area that, appeals to me. You also know that I'm very picky about my clothes, and I have this no duplicates rule. If you've been following me for a while, I try not to buy anything that is, already in my closet already, because I'm trying to come up and curate unique items to fit my lifestyle. Hopefully that makes sense to you. But she wanted to send me a little care package, and she did, and it's quite lovely. So first I'm going to show you, she sent along this blouse. This blouse that she found in the thrift store is a Vince Camuto blouse. It has the ruffle sleeves here, and it is a small, like, ditzy pattern type of floral to it. And I would say it's like a dark purple or dark blue background and different color pink flowers. And then she also found this skirt. This skirt is by Banana Republic. And yeah, it's a good dark wash skirt that comes to my knee. Now, I'll be honest with you, if I was out thrifting, I would think these things, just as I say to you now, I think they're cute. I think they're lovely. But I already own a dark wash skirt, and I have 9 million floral blouses. Love this, but don't need it. I will keep these items because they were given to me. I will wear these items, but it's not something I would have spent my money on just because they're not unique to my wardrobe. So thank you, Shannon. You gave me a new outfit to wear. This is quite cute. It's just not something that I would actually go out and buy myself. But I'm happy to have it. All right, give me a minute because she actually sent over a couple more goodies. Okay, up next is this adorable little halter top. Excuse the bra straps. I was too lazy to take them off. This is new with tags from Banana Republic. It's this cute little sparkled sequence. Love the halter style. It does tie here in the back. Obviously, I would wear this with a strapless bra or maybe those kind of cup things. And I would also adjust this and have someone adjust it to me so that my bra does not show so much in the back. I was doing this on my own. I have on the same denim skirt. By the way, the Vince Camuto top was an extra small, which is my usual size. This skirt is a size 2. It is a little large on me, but nothing that's not doable. And the tank, I think, fits me perfectly. It's adorable. I love it. Not sure when I'm going to wear it, but it is very cute. All right, give me a minute, and she sent a dress. Okay, up next is this White House black market dress that she found new with tags at her thrift store. Can you believe it? It even still has the kid pleat here sewn in the back. Hasn't even been undone. So I tried it on. It is pretty bodycon, pretty form-fitting, but I believe that is meant to be the style of this dress. It comes right to my knee, which I'm very comfortable with and perfect with. I can see this being a good evening dinner type of dress, so if I have a nice event to go to. It is, let me try and come closer so you can see. There's like almost like a different material inset down here, and I would say this is like what, a ballet collar, if I'm not mistaken. Sleeveless, the armpits are good, has the exposed zipper here in the back. This is a gorgeous dress. This is a great find. However, I don't know where I'm going to wear it. Beautiful dress. This will stay in my closet. I'm sure at some point I'll have a place to wear it to. So I want to give Shannon a big virtual hug right now for sending these things to me. This is so sweet of her. We're going on a cruise together in a couple weeks, and she's going to be staying here, and I'm picking her up at the airport. So I guess she just wanted to treat me with some little goodies that she found thrifting and share her love of finding great deals thrifting. And these are cute items. I definitely do love them. So thank you, Shannon. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, go subscribe to Shannon's channel now. She could really use your support. And take care and have a good week. And until next time.